Welcome to Austin EV Only. This is a quick video on how to install car seats in a 6-seat configured Tesla Model X. That is to say, a Model X with captain's chairs in the second row. Since test fitting your car seats is usually not part of a test drive experience, if you even did a test drive at all before ordering your car online, I put together this video to show you how to install those car seats. First, some history. Since September 1st, 2002, all new cars are required by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to have the latch system, where latch stands for lower anchors and tethers for children. This law mandates that not only are there 2 anchor points in the car seat bight, but also that there's an anchor point for the top tether strap. Car seat install was pretty cool. There's a place to clip it right down in there. So I like that. I don't ever like doing the seat belt through there. I like using those straps. Now let's look at the top tether strap. For the car seat, is this the right spot to attach this? Like, what if I didn't put this seat down? Where would I attach this? Oh, and I finally found where you're supposed to hook the child car seat hook is way down here at the bottom. The problem is this entire length, our strap on our car seat won't reach, so the only way we had to go actually up and over the side here just to reach the car seat hook way down here. So that's where to hook it in for the car seat. So to summarize, yes, the Tesla Model X has the latch system. In addition, there is a latch on the back of the captain's chair, but it's so far down that it's not practically useful. Finally, don't use the anchor on the back of the third row seat when that seat's folded down, because that's not what it's intended for, as I originally tried to do. Thanks for watching, folks. We hope you found this video useful. If so, would you smash that like button, or better still, hit that subscribe button. That's how we make more videos. Until next time, this is Austin EV Only.